gone. I can hardly stand up in it. It's so bad. I got up last night and I had to grab onto the railings to keep from going over.
Yeah, my name is Avatar Singh. My wife name Pupinder Kaur, and we own this market, niche market, and we lost too much, all roof, and my window broke down all, and backside too much damage. But my landlord said we working with you. They want to fix it, and it's a loss. Yeah, sign also broke down on top. Last night, we stay all night to push my window back. 6 hours we stay here. We so worry if air enter inside, then roof can go out, then more damage,
My name is Ishratullah. Call me short name is Ish. We living here. It's night time, 9 o'clock, around 9 o'clock. First this tree come down behind this house. I have another car. My car is stuck under tree. 10-15 trees grab inside my car. My kids was with me when I saw this situation. I pick up my all kids, went running with my sister-in-law. My car too. Both cars broke down. Yeah, but that's good. My kids side.
Well, I'm the owner, and I find that I'm out of business after 27 years. I don't know what happened here, but it wasn't just a little wind shear. I think it was a tornado, perhaps, a little twister or something. Moved some pretty heavy lumber off the roof there. This section right here, that's laying right here, came off of the east side of the front building. It blew over here 40 feet or better, and look at it, you can see the construction. It's heavy lumber. It took more than just a little gust of wind to move something that heavy that far. And so I don't know, but I understand there's a lot of damage here in these, so I'm not the only one that got hurt. Just going through the formality of cleaning this mess up, I guess.
My name is Mackenzie Payne. I'm a videographer for Velocity Video, and I've been going around this morning taking some pictures of the storm damage, the wind damage from last night all through downtown Nice. The damage is everywhere. There's not a part of town that's untouched by this wind we had last night. Well, according to someone with the county, they were saying that the National Weather Service said we topped out at a gust above 70 miles an hour. And I mean, the winds last night, I mean, they were crazy. Stuff blowing everywhere. There's trees down all over town. You've got power lines down. This building right across the street here, the roof has been peeled off the building completely. I mean, you go inside and you can see daylight. There's just damage like that all through town. It's incredible to see.
The docks on the west side of the harbor were primarily damaged, where we had the larger sailboats secured and we had the awnings, so the wind was able to get in here and tear these docks apart. So we're extracting the boats out of the damaged dock system over here, moving them over to the east side. Then we'll secure all the damaged docks off in this west corner, and then we'll have a crane come in and hoist all these docks out. We'll have to look at some long-term solutions as to what we're going to be doing about the dock systems in here.
Yeah, it's going to be windy today, all day, so, but I don't know what the gusts are going to be up to.